If you've ever deleted an important file from OneDrive and instantly regretted it, this video is going to save you a lot of stress. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the OneDrive recycle bin and restore deleted items, step by step. Whether it's a document, photo, folder, or spreadsheet, OneDrive makes it easy to bring it back as long as it hasn't been permanently removed. If this video helps, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft OneDrive. You can sign in using the Microsoft account that contains the deleted file. This is important because the recycle bin only shows items from the account you're currently logged into. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard. Now look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Microsoft places the main navigation options for your cloud storage. Find the option that says Recycle Bin and click it. The recycle bin is basically OneDrive's recovery area, where deleted files are kept temporarily before they're permanently removed. After you open the recycle bin, you'll see a list of deleted files and folders. Take your time here and locate the exact item you want to recover. If you have a lot of deleted content, you may need to scroll through the list carefully. Make sure you choose the correct file name, folder name, or item type so you restore the right thing. Once you find the deleted item, click to select it. You may be able to select more than one item if you want to restore multiple files at the same time. This is especially helpful if you accidentally deleted a whole folder or several related documents. With the item selected, look at the top of the page and click Restore. This tells OneDrive to put the file back where it originally came from. After a few moments, OneDrive will recover the item and return it to its original location in your cloud storage. Now go back to your OneDrive files and check the original folder. You should see the deleted item back in place just like before. If it was a folder, the contents inside it should also come back with it, which makes restoring much easier than trying to rebuild everything manually. There is one very important thing to remember. If an item has already been permanently deleted from the recycle bin, it usually cannot be recovered again through normal OneDrive tools. So if you notice a missing file, it's always a good idea to check the recycle bin as soon as possible before it gets permanently removed. And that's it. You now know how to access the OneDrive recycle bin and restore deleted items quickly and safely. This is one of the easiest ways to recover files in Microsoft OneDrive, and it can save you from losing important work. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.